Hello, little friends. Welcome to Flash Fun with Kino Kids TV, where learning is super fun and exciting. Are you ready? Today we learn about sea creatures in the most fun way. Are you ready? Let's jump into it. Crab, dolphin, eel, goldfish, jellyfish, lobster, octopus, seagull, seahorse, seal, shark, squid, starfish, Stingray, shrimp, sea turtle, urchin, whale, swordfish, anglefish, sea snail, sea snake, crocodile, piranha, dugong,